Air pollution continues. The next hydrocarbon is the next pollutant is the hydrocarbon. It includes the methane. It includes the methane and ethylene and composed of the H2 and C. They are released from the combustion of the fuel. Here is the effect of the hydrocarbon. Short notes, that is the mass gas. What is mass gas? Here is explain the mass gas. Next one is the photochemical oxidant, PAN, ozone and aldehyde. There is a reaction of the formation of the ozone and the PAN, and the effect of the PAN is given cause the irritation in the eyes and the throat, causes respiratory trouble in man, affect the leafy plant, causing the silvery glazing, necrosis, effect of ozone. Ozone is a clear blue gas with a sharp smell. Ozone layer is the state of air protect living organism from the UV rays. Particulate matter, that is the smoke combined with the smoke contribute 15% of the atmospheric pollution. It is released from the coal, fuel, etc. They combine with fog to form the smoke. It causes condensation of the water vapor and also with the chemical like this. Also S2 and its effect is given as a CFC. CFT relief from the jet plane and used in the refrigerator. There is a effect of the CFC, PVC, polychlorinated biphenyl. These are all are the air pollutant. PVC, and here is the radioactive pollutant. It is released from the nuclear explosion and nuclear plant. It releases neutron, electron, beta ray, gamma ray, etc. The radioactive elements are the some of the examples given. The effect is the very harmful to the health, kill the living tissue, causes cancer. Here is the problem of the air pollution. Heat balance of the earth is affected. Weather conditions are affected. SO2 causes the trouble in respiratory system and plant growth is extended. CO decreasing the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. SO2 and NO2 causes the acid rain. The increases amount of the O2 increases the global warming. PAN causes the irritation. DC ozone causes the headache, dryness, and other. These are the control of the air pollution. These are the various control. Thank you.